Okay, expect the unexpected again. Just a quick word about mini roundabouts. Mini roundabouts are very confined spaces. There are certain rules in the highway code. You need to drive around them. You should avoid making U-turns. Indicators, if people don't indicate and then they cut over the roundabout, it can cause danger. Okay, so it might cause us to suddenly stop. So in approaching a mini roundabout, make sure if you are turning right that you signal early. First bit of the video, you're going to see a car approaching on the left. It's a silver van. You can see that the van should be able to see us. As we come up to the roundabout, you'll see we lose sight. The camera loses sight of a car on the left, but the car on the left will be able to see us, and we are indicating right, but still it nearly fails to stop. You hear it nearly losing control of the wheels. Second clip, we're approaching a roundabout, a mini roundabout again. A car approaches from the right hand side, indicates late, causing us to stop suddenly. The car behind nearly goes in the back of us. So another lesson there, keep your distance, be ready to stop and pass around the markings, which gives people extra time to work out what you're going to do rather than cutting across it anti-clockwise. Carry on.